to our weekly. Go to our weekly. See what direction the market is going in. I will be looking for price to keep expanding. Ghost. I just don't. I don't like this low. Yeah, this low right here got me thinking price might drop. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like this low. I would be looking for like a 2 candle pullback. It's right here. Like for the continuation back long. So me not seeing that, I can look and see price dropping down a little bit more. It looked like AMD though. It really does. But the only low we'll play off from will be this low here. But that low just don't. I wish I could just see a little bit more. Oh, here we go. If anything, they'll play like, oh man, high. They'll play something like this, but I just don't like this low here. Loki got me thinking price can drop down. What's the word, bro? What's the word? Potatoes, bro. That's it. Don't trade like a bunch of potato. Good thing the market closed. Okay. I miss his entry right here. But I'll be looking right here. This is a horrible, horrible entry on this play, but let's see if we can drop down a little bit lower to see if we can get better entry. Cause I see them coming back up here. Mm. So they counting this whole zone here as an accumulation zone. Okay. Are they doing a 113 reversal? I'm gonna enter this again. I'm gonna enter this. Okay. I'm gonna enter this again because if I'm catching a continuation, I honestly would look at that low. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Where'd my play go? Momentum still higher. Okay. This is looking good for the continuation back high. I like that. Yep, right off this 35250. Hold on. I'm just switching through my time frames trying to make sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Bro, why do they keep closing me like that? I wish I could have got a better entry. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's just watch the play on a 1 hour. See what we get. I'm expecting them to expand back higher. I don't expect them to come back down in this zone at all. So let's speed it up. Okay. This would just be another re-entry here. Hold on. Back in the same zone. This is still back in my entry zone. So this would just be another re-entry. So even if we was day trading, price went up, you could have took profit. If price went back down, I would just be re-entering. And in my MACD, I still see that continuation back higher. Yeah, I'm not expecting them to drop back down, but we'll see. We shall see. Oh my goodness, hold on. Bro, they do not want to leave this zone. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I went back to my high time frame. This is the 12-hour right here. So I was really just looking for that order block we was playing off from, that two candle pullback. And this is that two candle pullback here. There. Hold on. Let me see if I can see it like on a weekly or a day, 3-day or something. Here we go. Okay. Price ain't playing that low. Let's see. What the hell are you talking about, bro? What is he talking about? Oh. Price honestly could drop back down. I'll take profit and just let this one run. Okay. I'm happy I took that profit. I still don't think they're gonna come back down there. Yep, there it is. Oh, nice. I like that play. I like that play. All right, let's go somewhere else. See what we get. Oh my god, hold on. Oh. Oh my god, hold on, I'm replaying this shit. What the? I didn't make a play. It's just last, bro. I asked last live, or the live that the playlist was asked on. I asked if y'all use Apple Music or Spotify. Let me know if y'all use Apple Music or Spotify. And you don't gotta buy my playlist. Buy a playlist for me, bro. I'm not gonna gatekeep the music I listen to. Neither YouTube music? Damn. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make like an Apple or Spotify playlist, then you can just see what the fuck I got on there. Cause I think YouTube you gotta pay for. Then y'all can just download it on your own playlist. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make a playlist. I got you. Yeah, Spotify got a free version. I use Apple Music though. Hold on. Yeah, YouTube most definitely do. I'm just so used to Apple Music. Damn, Apple Music music. I ain't even know. All right. Right now, yes, we got this. This moving back to the top side. I honestly think price is going to drop back down. I could see price dropping back down into the zone here. So I'm gonna let price play out. I'm expecting another drop. Hold on, let me draw my quarters real quick, just so we can see what levels we playing. My bad, it's a drop. No, you sure, bro? But yeah, I'm gonna make a. I need to make. I got you. I'm gonna put it in the link in my bio. I don't even know if the link in my freaking bio even work anymore, bro. Honestly, I don't even know if that worked. Yeah, I'm expecting price to drop back down. I'm not gonna enter this. I will be looking somewhere down here. Hold on. Yeah, prices. Oh my goodness, bro. Wait, hold on. Because right here we already came and took this low here. Low, my mid, my high. Price came right into our zone. Okay. Hold on. We could come and take these highs. Looking at my weekly. Hold on. Let me just get a couple more. Couple more candles. I'm just getting like different stories right now. Because on my higher time frame, I'm honestly looking somewhere like right here. So like, boom. I'm looking like somewhere right here on my higher time frame for like an entry. Alright. Even though weekly is a higher time frame, a lot of times when you back testing on trading view, it's all weird. So the weekly be feeling like a freaking 4 hour. Okay. So boom. But then when I'm looking at my weekly, so higher time frame play, I see it dropping back down here. Boom. Somewhere I'd be looking somewhere. If I want to be a bigger zones here, but I'm can see somewhere here. But if I'm just looking at like my weekly, if I'm looking at my weekly, I can see this here. Price playing off of this low to this high, and price in this zone with the continuation back higher. So that's I see both of these plays playing. Like I could see price coming back down, sweeping, or price continue back higher. If price is gonna continue higher, I'm gonna play it like I didn't catch it already and just let it do what it do. I'm gonna be patient and wait and see if price is gonna play down because for some reason on my higher time frame, I can see it coming back down. No. Come. Price to that first zone. I'm gonna still wait. I want to see if it's gonna come back down here, or if it's gonna come and take this high first. came and swept this high here. I didn't get a new apartment. I'm still in the same apartment. I'm thinking about getting a new apartment though, to get closer to my job, but I'm still in the same apartment right now. Okay, so price ended up expanding back higher and taking out these highs here. So what price was playing off from, where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Price was playing off of this here. Okay, so they're just expanding price back. And a bimbo. And a bimbo. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Price play right off of this low here. Boom. Okay. Yep. So they playing right off of here. So they should be coming right back up and taking out this zero. Yep. Took out the zero. Now they going back down, creating another higher low. They should be creating this higher low here. Let's see what we get. Of course, of course, the play I actually get in, it freaking wiped me out instantly. Okay. I would still be playing this play here because price is still in this higher momentum. Taking out this higher, this zero here. I would still be looking at my low. I would still be looking at my low, my mid, my high. If they didn't go to my golden level, then I would be looking for a 113 reversal point. And I will honestly enter that again. Let me go back to another higher time frame. If I just go to my daily. Yeah, this shit is weird as fuck, bro. Cause I would really be wanting this, bro. This is the play I would really be wanting. And I just got, and of course I get hold. Barely make it to my zone. And they take off. Taking out the zero. I am getting edge, bro. Oh my god, dude, I am honestly like, look at. It's like they barely, which is okay because of like I'm still just waiting till they get to the level I wanted to get it at. But they just really just going to the 63, then just keep on expanding. I wouldn't enter those plays. I would really just wait for it to enter one of my golden levels. Mm-mm. Bro says, show me your fib levels. You can ask me to show you my fib levels. Show me your fib levels. You can ask me politely. May you show me your fib level? What the fuck? This is what I found. American Wisconsin. Let's go to a different time frame. What's happening? So good. 30 ways gonna work out. Talk about you. She all on me. Oh, not, I think she want me. Want me. No, can't leave her lonely. Yeah.
Charging battery.
Oh, I cannot wait for the market to open up. Alright. Let's see what we got. Right, looking at it, I see momentum going back higher. Maybe I see something different, but instantly looking at it, reading price from left to right, making higher highs, higher lows. This is my, I see this order block here. Boom. This is on the weekly too. I see this order block. Boom, boom. Okay. Now let's see if we got another higher low. Okay, so this is where they can trick us. Like zoomed out. This candle right here. This candle looks like a black candle. Like it look like it could be a sale candle. But the more I zoom in, boom. This is the green candle. So this candle was bullish. So this lets me know that this isn't an order block. This is my true order block that price is playing off from. So I will be running my field from here to here. Boom. Right into that order block, right into that zone. I will be going long in this play. We can see what price gives us. But I would be looking for a long, honestly, in this play. If people say, if people say, okay. I would be looking for something like this. Yo, mouth. I don't see them coming back down there, but we'll let it play out just see what we get. No, that's around. What time frame I trade on? I usually start high time frame then go lower. So I usually like look at my monthly, look at the overall direction, my monthly, weekly, look at the overall direction, run my higher time frame fib. Then I'll be looking at like my 4 hour, 6 hour, my daily, looking then finding Once I got the overall direction, I can literally just drop down to like the daily, 4 hour, 6 hour. Then I can literally just run my field, find my low, my mid, my high. Then I'm catching a play in that direction. So my higher time frame here, boom, on my weekly, prices in my zone, boom, I know momentum up. Then I'll just go to like my daily or something like that. But recently I've been going to like my 15 minutes for my executions. You don't think it's enough liquidity to get it up there? Possibly. If I'm being modest, I usually take profit. Like if I'm like in an actual real trade, I usually take profit at the 25%. I'm sure a lot of y'all don't probably don't follow me or like watch or see my plays that I actually trade. But I usually take profit at 25%. But since I'm back testing, I don't have to be modest. I can literally just stretch my plays out. So which 2 7 2 750 would be that next quarter zone I would be looking for. But if I was being modest in a real play, I would have took profit at the 25%. But I'm back testing. I don't. It doesn't mean anything. More of a swing trader, in a way, yeah. So even in the combine, right? Like I'm not like a scalper. Like I could be holding my play. I can enter a play at like 5 p.m., 6 p.m., and I can hold it to the next day, to the next session, like to the close. So like 2 p.m. the next day, 3 p.m. the next day. So it's like I'm still day trading, but I still swing trade. But on my live account, I swing trade. But like on a day trade, yeah, I always take profit. Usually, always take profit at the 25%. Because usually once you get to the like 25% or 35%, price changes direction and you're usually gonna get wiped out to play and have to find another re-entry. Mm-mm-mm. So yeah, that would be my good rule of thumb. Taking profit at the 50%, 25%. Okay. Just now, look at this. Like we really having some resistance up here at this 2500 quarter, and we're not breaking. Like we seem not to be breaking that. I still have faith in that loan that play back up to the high side. But just this resistance that we're having here, this lets me know like price can be bouncing around in this range, and we can even have a deeper retracement, which can possibly hit my stop loss before it hit me. But I'm still confident in that momentum up, so let's just see what we get still. And again, back to the 25%, like I was talking about, like every usually it goes right back up to that 25% for your TP. So even if you take profit at the 50%, like if you like right now, like if I was in a real trade, okay, first take profit 50%, last one 25%, or take them all at the 25%, or 25% and zero with the amount of firms that have trailer. To hold these long plays, you're gonna have to have a live account. You're not a prop firm. Yeah, you're gonna have to use a live account. So you can use Tradeovate, Weeble. There's some other ones, but I will only be. I'm honestly would be doing Tradeovate like a U.S. based company. I prefer to start swinging personally, bro. Swing trade. I love swing trading way more than day trading, but live account, prop firm, like I like doing both, but I prefer swing trading. But you can make a lot more money quicker day trading a prop firm. So that's the only thing, bro. Like I wish I could swing trade a prop firm. But just imagine how much, bro. Look at this resistance we're getting up here. I still feel like we're gonna break through here. So let's just see what we get. Did I just get edged, bro? TP. Ooh. Confidence. They just opened maybe a month ago or less. I haven't heard of them. I'm losing lucid trading right now, bro. I think they're a newer platform, but one of my viewers let me know about it, and I like it so far. Look at that. You got enough momentum to go up there. Uh, you just got to be confident in your play. Yeah, I like lucid. I'm hope. I hope me backtesting kind of is helping you out too, in some type of way. Like, cause maybe you see something different than I see. Like, map up your own play too. Like, even if you might trade the same way as me, like, look at the market yourself. What would you do? What play would you take? So that's what I would be thinking about watching backtest. Okay, what would I do? Then just see how your play might would have played out. Perfect your strategy. I would be looking. I want to say I would be looking for a loan, but do not want to listen to the boss. Like I would want to play off of this, but this just I don't know if that's the right play. Yes. We could get wiped out of this play because this isn't going to be an optimal stop loss. This stop loss is inside of our golden level, but since we're catching a play and this kind of injury, it's a little bit more riskier. And since my lower time frame chart look like this, it's hard for me to really specify exactly what price is doing. Oh, okay. I got a little something right here. Okay, here. Boom. I wouldn't want to go under here. Boom. Mm. Let's see what we got on our higher time frame. Boom. I will honestly enter this play again. It's in our golden level. We took the risk the first time, knowing we could have got wiped out. I would enter this play again. We could drop down lower into this level here, but we'll just let it play out. We'll just let it play out, see what we get. Because right now, from the low we running, we would still be in that level, that golden level. And the girl virus on the wall now. Inside the world on the show, yeah. I want that 25%. This is like doing what I last play did. All this resistance up here. I wanted that 25% so bad for that take profit. We didn't get it, got wiped out. It happens. Let's see what we got like on the monthly. What am I trading? I'm just backtesting gold. Here we go. This is what I need to mark out my freak. I keep forgetting. I need to mark out my quarters because here we go. Hold on. If I miss this play, then I'm fucking just ass. Hold on. Here we go. I promise you. It better not. This should go up. I swear, bro. I swear, bro. If this shit keep dropping, watch it keep dropping. You motherfucker. You mother dude. Yep. That is crazy, bro. Like it just wanna drop down so bad. It's like quarter everything. Yeah, we most definitely about to get wiped out of here. I just don't see it. I don't see this one. Yeah. So I know I'm gonna get wiped out of this, but I just don't. I still like the plays that we've like taken. These are like still the plays I would have taken. We would have got wiped out the plays, but I don't see the continuation down. But I don't know what I'm missing here on this play. Yeah, we most definitely about to get knocked out of this play. Speed it up. We right at the 113 too. I need to figure out what I'm missing here. It honestly could be like I'm trying to force this play, which is kind of what I'm getting right now. I'm trying to force this play so bad. The market's not giving me that play. I'm pretty sure you'll follow AJ. What confluences are you using? RSI? No. No, I'm not using RSI. Fib, quarter steer. You can use order blocks for value. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it bear in a second. Why is backtesting so boring for you? It could be like that, bro. That's with anything, though. It can most definitely be like that. Okay. I think the thing now, the price has already moved. So if I can't run my bear from over here. I would have had to run it from over here. So if I was to run my bear, if I didn't know what was on my right side, it would have been something like this. It'd been something like that. Yeah. I wouldn't have. I still wouldn't have taken that bear straight. I don't. I don't see it. There it is. It's playing off this. I wouldn't have taken this play at all. It, I would have got. I would have still got wiped out of that. I just wouldn't have taken that. W Music, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. I'm gonna do a couple more. Then I'm about to get on some arc raiders. I'm ready for the marker to open. I'm ready to get finished passing this freaking combine. I really want to try this lucid. Like I really want to see how this point of the kernel lucid gonna be. Like if it's gonna be better than the top step. I'm trying to find something better than top step. So I have not even been touching top step. I want something better. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I know. I know. I'm looking here. So, I know. Here, here. Yes, go. There it is. I look. I want this so bad. That's all I see. All I see is this continuation. Like I don't. That's because we don't have no lows over here. So like, I didn't even see it coming down that low in the first place. I want that. I want that so bad, bro. See, can't put two rappers into singer. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I really just want to cast his low. Oh, you go back to baby, I know. Oh, you better that's in a row. I'm ready to trade gold, bro. I'm ready to get back in this funded account. Yeah, go. You said it's too far. We'll see. We'll see what we get. I'm back testing go right now. Back testing go right now. Oh, you said that was too far? Hmm. That I feel like this. Okay. So this play here, what I've learned and realized, yes, we hit TP, but initially I was just playing off the 2000 quarter here. Boom, boom. Waiting for price to get right to my golden level. Boom. So I was initially trying to catch a play coming into here, back up. Of course, price has kept going down. So after price really leaves my golden level, I'm really looking at my 113 level for a reversal. That would be like my major reversal zone. I would be looking somewhere right here. Yep. Targeting the 25%, because usually once it gets to the 25%, we see like another reversal. But it should eventually come back up here, take out the zero before it goes back down. How unprofitable are you? Whatever you think. Whatever you think. I appreciate that follow, Jordan. But yeah, I like that. Sometimes you gotta get knocked out of play just to kind of get a sense of where the market is going. Okay, let's do one more. Then I'm getting on some arc raiders, bro. I'm getting on some arc raiders. We still haven't taken out this zero. I would still be looking for price to take out the zero before it take out these lows. I just want to see it take out the zero first before I just want to see it finish through right there. Let's just watch it. Watch it. Then we're gonna go do one more. Then I'm gonna get boom. Finally. Took out the zero. Alright, let's do one more. Then let's get out of here, bro. I'll be back. I might be live tomorrow. That I don't know, but if I catch a play, I'll post it. What we got? What we got? I've already traded this. Price is gonna go back up to the zero. Somebody got a random time frame, like a random date or some shit I can trade. Because some reason the little random bar is giving me the same play I've already taken. What's what trade C? The difference? I don't know what you're asking me, bro. I don't know what trade C is. I don't know what you asking me, bro. I just need a random time frame, man. Hold on. Let me do. I just want to do one more back test, then I'm getting off. Hold on. I don't. You can have your thing back. All right, here we go. What we got? Uh, bro, why are they giving me the same freaking prices in the same time frame? Let's refresh. Oh, should I trade or should I trade Nas what I don't like for the last play? Nah, I'm not trading shit. I'm not trading that shit. I'm trying to get into trading. There's so many ways to trade, but I know futures. But I'm using Trade C. I've never heard of Trade C. Thought you had some insight. No, I've never heard of Trade C. But use whatever you're comfortable with. You said yes, do it. Trade not. All right. We'll trade some MQ. Ah, I hate trading this. I'm back testing right now. All right, let's see what Nas get us. I don't know what's going on. Short agent open trust. Do whatever play you see, bro. Whatever you see. Got you because it's all the same, right? What you're using? It's not all. It's not all the same. Like, if you prop firm, every prop firm has different rules. It, are you live trading, swing trading, bro? Nas won't even giving me a random time frame. Look at this shit. Nothing loading, bro. Look, I guess God don't want me to trade Nas, cause what? On me, that's a sign. On me, not to trade this. Look at this shit. Silver. All right, all right, all right. Damn. All right, let's see what we get. Let's go to silver. I just need one more good play. One more good look back test. Then I'll be happy. I wanted something like trade. See, it's more like in and out market close at 6 p.m. I wanted something like Tracy. It's more in and huh. Are you prop firm trading? King, you prop firm? It's my if my fib in Discord. I think one of my fibs is in Discord. I don't think my latest one is in Discord. The one I'm using now. All right, we gotta play finally on silver. Now 1993. 1993. 1993 was the year the first prop firm came out. It be like that, bro. I've been there. It be like that. You gonna have to, boy. I'm telling you, you gonna have to have a perfect play. Keep your composure. I've been there before, bro. All right, let's see what we. Of course, they give me some dumbass silver play like this, dude. I do not want to trade this shit. All right. Honestly, looking at this looked like a sale. Well, let's mark out our quarters as well. But I don't like to take sales, so I would be looking for the long. All right, let's hurry up. I'm ready to get on some operators. I'm ready to get on operators. It looked like just like that, like the candlestick and stuff. You can trade Nasdaq. Oh, it looked just like that with the can. Uh, okay. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Uh, yeah, I just look into Top Step, Lucid Trading, Alpha, Take Profit Trader. Yep. What happened? I don't even. My fault. I didn't even see your messenger. I don't know what the hell happened, bro. I don't know what the hell was happening, bro. All right. I will honestly be waiting for price to come back down. I wouldn't be playing off this low here. A lucid account is like a it's a it's a type of it's a broker or platform that you can trade. But I'll do some research on different kinds. It just depends on what you want to do after you live trading or day trading. I'm gonna take a small trade here. I might get wiped out of this play. Yeah, I might get wiped out of this play, but we'll see. Because they could be playing. Yep, perfect. Done. Okay. It might honestly drop down just a slight bit. Just have a fat buff. Just have it. No, on the phone. Because mine go by lots. Go by a lot. You might be trading forex. Yeah, you might be doing forex trading. A part of me feel like you might be. I don't know what you're doing, bro. Honestly, it sounds like you don't know what you're doing. As in, like you don't know what like if you're doing a live account or prefer. Yeah, I don't know honestly. Because if you go by lots, I would think you probably trading forex. Like you would most likely be trading forex. If you haven't, no. Bro, this is literally just like my last play. I mean, you could do MetaTrader too. I want that swing trade. Like I don't want to like just get in, take profit. I want to just get better at catching that full momentum move because even if I just even just getting better or just looking at the higher time frame and catching that full move, it just sharpens my skills. So when I look at the real market or just do my day trades, I can fully understand the full swing and motion of the market. But I don't take sales. If you bid on everything you doing, like how tomorrow I've been looking. Yeah. Oh, you've been watching videos on learning and stuff. Yeah, I think one thing that will help too, like you don't need to just know like one thing. Like you don't need to just know ICT or quarter steer. Like once you really start learning it, you'll really see how everything really works together. You don't need all those levels on your field. Do whatever works for you. Whatever you feel you need and don't need, you put that on your own shit. Whatever I feel I need and don't need, I'll have it on mine. You make your money, I make my money. We wipe our hands and we call it a day. Nigga, I'm about to get an arc rated, bro. I'm gonna get on some motherfucking art. I would still be catching the same exact fucking play. Yep. Of course, when I don't enter, the motherfucker go to my TP. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. But I am done, y'all. I am done, bro. I probably won't be on live tomorrow. But if I catch a play, I'll post it on my TikTok and probably my Discord. But if y'all need me, y'all know where to find me. Stay blessed. Stay safe out there. Do your own thing. Simple as that. I appreciate y'all. I'm out of here.